Alrighty guys, enough of the B-roll shots. So what are we doing today? Today we are gonna be framing. And by framing, I mean that we're gonna be essentially taking the 4x8 pieces of plywood that I bought, cutting them up into little 2-inch strips. And then we're gonna put those 2-inch strips and we're gonna screw them into the ribs of the bus. The ribs of the bus are basically anywhere that you see the windows kind of coming down. So where the window, the yellow part of the window comes down, it actually goes over the entire top of the bus. Why are we doing this? Well, that's a good question. I'm glad you asked. Essentially, we're doing this to give ourselves a solid base, a solid foundation for everything that we build in the bus. So we don't just want to start putting cabinetry in there. We don't want to start putting countertops in there. We don't want to start putting bed frames in there, because it's gonna need to be attached to something, and that thing that is attached to is gonna need to be attached to like a foundation item, a frame. If it's not, I mean, this bus, it's gonna be vibrating down the road, it's gonna be going all sorts of places, hopefully, and we don't want stuff going everywhere. So today we're gonna be working on the framing of the bus. So let's go ahead and get to it. Way harder than it needed to be. Alrighty guys, so essentially what we're going to be doing is cutting little 2-inch strips along this entire piece of plywood. These 2-inch strips are going to go into the bus. In fact, I actually might have one. Plywood is very durable, it's very strong, so we're going to go ahead and mark off 2 inches down the entire line. We should be able to get about 24 of them since it's 4 feet wide, 48 inches. Divided by 2 inches, 24. And I'm just gonna cut these, and then we're gonna eventually put them into the bus. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right meow. Whew. So I want to start framing from the middle and then go out. We're going to be replacing the RV window, so I'm not going to frame anything right there. Basically, I want to have 2 big straps of wood kind of going down the middle. So I'm going to start from the straightest edge. I already measured out, so from here to here is 88 inches, so dead center would be 44 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically have one strap right here, and then another strap right here, and then we're gonna go about 12 inches, boom again, and then boom again. We're gonna start right here, probably start right there in the middle, go about 12 inches, boom, another one right here, go about another 12 inches, boom right here, and then put another one right there. Let's go ahead and knock that out. Alright guys, well that'll do it for today. We obviously have more to do. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put up 18 different straps right now. We still have the rest of that to do. Plus we're gonna double it up right here. We're literally gonna put 2 of these on the bottom. And then whenever we put in the RV windows, we'll have a strap right there, a strap up here, and then we're gonna double this up. Here is the progress today. Not bad for 3 or 4 hours. Alrighty guys, so we are in the beginning stages of the framing. So we probably have another 2 or 3 weekends left to frame out the entire bus. I kind of am enjoying the framing just because it's like, I don't know, I like working with wood. Wood's pretty easy to work with. Metal's a little bit more difficult. Today was annoying with cutting up all those pieces, but that's just part of it. So guys, if you enjoyed this, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, we're just gonna keep putting out videos as we make them. If there's any part of this that I'm missing, or maybe any part that you guys wanna add, feel free to let us know. We'll see y'all out on the road. Bye.